Good morning guys, today we've got here HUAWEI Mate X6 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first open new message or any other area where you've got access to your keypad. Now tap on word icon and hold it for a while, mark more languages, and now just choose the one that you want to use on your keypad. You can either scroll till you find the preferred one or mark search button to provide it. Let me pick, for example, this one. Wait till it's downloaded, go to the top of the screen. As you can see, it is added. Let's go back. And from now on, you will be able to switch between languages smoothly by tapping on this word icon. And here it is applied. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.